Eat this one food and regain strength in just 12 hours, science-backed. Everyday senior health. Do you ever wake up feeling tired, weak, or like your energy's just not there? Are you wondering if there's something you can eat to get your strength back fast? Or maybe you're looking for simple foods to keep you strong and active every day. If any of these sound like you, you're in the right place. I'm going to share 10 foods that can help you regain strength in as little as 12 hours. These are backed by science, easy to find, and perfect for seniors who want to feel their best. Let's talk about what you can eat to boost your strength and keep going strong. Number 10. Eggs. Let's start with something you probably have in your kitchen right now: eggs. Have you ever thought about how powerful these little guys are? Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, which is key for rebuilding muscle and boosting strength, especially as we age. A study from the Journal of Nutrition found that eating eggs provides all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair muscle tissue. For seniors, this is huge because muscle loss, called sarcopenia, can start as early as age 60, reducing strength by up to 3% per year, according to the National Institute on Aging. Just 2 large eggs give you about 12 grams of protein, which can kickstart muscle repair in hours. Eggs also have choline, a nutrient that supports nerve function and energy production. Low choline can make you feel sluggish, and about 90% of older adults don't get enough, per the National Institutes of Health. Plus, eggs are quick to cook. Boil them, scramble them, or make an omelet. Within 12 hours, your body can use that protein to start rebuilding strength, especially if you pair eggs with light activity like walking. Keep eggs in your fridge at 4 degrees Celsius, and they'll stay fresh for weeks. If you're worried about cholesterol, talk to your doctor, but recent research from the American Heart Association shows most people can eat 1 or 2 eggs daily without issues. Try a veggie scramble for breakfast, and you'll feel the difference by dinner. Number 9. Greek yogurt. Do you enjoy a creamy, tangy snack? Greek yogurt is a strength-building superstar. It's loaded with protein, about 20 grams per cup, and probiotics that keep your gut healthy, which matters more than you might think for energy and strength. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that protein from dairy, like Greek yogurt, helps preserve muscle mass in older adults. It's also rich in leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle repair fast. After eating a cup, your body can start using leucine within hours to rebuild strength, especially if you've been feeling weak. Gut health is key too. Probiotics improve nutrient absorption, so your body gets more from every bite. A healthy gut can reduce fatigue, which affects up to 50% of seniors, per the Journal of Gerontology. Greek yogurt is also high in calcium, which supports strong bones to back up your muscles. Choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, and add some fruit or nuts for flavor. Eat it as a snack or breakfast, and by evening, you'll likely feel more energized. Store it in the fridge at 4 degrees Celsius, and check the expiration date to keep it fresh. If dairy's not your thing, talk to a dietitian about plant-based options, but Greek yogurt's a quick win for strength. Number 8. Salmon. Who loves a good piece of fish? Salmon is one of the best foods for regaining strength fast. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, which work together to reduce inflammation and rebuild muscle. A study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that omega-3s in salmon can improve muscle strength in older adults by up to 20% in just a few weeks. But here's the exciting part. Your body starts using those omega-3s within hours to calm inflammation, which can sap your strength. Inflammation is common in seniors, affecting about 70% of those over 65, per the National Institute on Aging. Salmon's 20 grams of protein per 100 grams serving also gets to work fast, repairing muscle fibers. Salmon's vitamin D is another bonus. It helps your muscles contract better, so you feel stronger. Low vitamin D is linked to weakness in 40% of older adults, according to the Journal of Endocrinology. Grill or bake a salmon fillet for lunch, and by bedtime, you'll likely notice more pep in your step. Keep fresh salmon in the fridge for up to 2 days or freeze it for months. Canned salmon works too. Just check for low sodium. Pair it with veggies, and you're set. Number 7. Oats. Do you start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal? If not, you might want to. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbs, which give you steady energy, and they've got a surprising amount of protein for a grain, about 10 grams per cup of cooked oats. According to research from the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism, Complex carbs in oats provide glucose, your body's main fuel for muscles. Unlike sugary snacks, oats release energy slowly, so you avoid crashes that leave you weak. Within 12 hours, your muscles can use that steady fuel to feel stronger, especially if you've been low on energy. Oats also have magnesium, which helps muscles relax and recover. Low magnesium affects up to 30% of seniors, per the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Oats are easy on the stomach, which is great if digestion slows with age, as it does for 25% of people over 65, per the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases. Cook them with milk for extra protein, and top with berries or a spoon of peanut butter. Store dry oats in a cool, dry pantry at 20 degrees Celsius, and they'll last for months. A bowl in the morning can have you feeling stronger by evening. Number 6. Spinach. Are you adding greens to your meals? Spinach is a strength-boosting veggie you don't want to skip. It's loaded with iron, magnesium, and nitrates, which all help your muscles work better and recover faster. A study in the Journal of Physiology found that nitrates in spinach improve muscle efficiency, so you use less energy to move and feel stronger. Within hours of eating spinach, nitrates start boosting blood flow to your muscles, which can reduce weakness. Iron is key too. It carries oxygen to muscles, and low iron, common in 20% of seniors per the World Health Organization, can make you tired. Spinach's magnesium also fights muscle cramps, which bother up to 50% of older adults, per the Journal of Pain Research. Toss a handful of spinach into a smoothie, salad, or stir-fry. A cup gives you all these benefits without many calories, so it's great for staying strong without gaining weight. Wash fresh spinach and keep it in the fridge at 4 degrees Celsius for up to a week. Frozen spinach works too. Just thaw and cook. Eat some at lunch, and by night, your muscles might feel more ready to go. Number 5. Almonds. Do you snack on nuts? Almonds are a perfect grab-and-go food for strength. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, which all help your body bounce back fast. Research from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition shows that almonds' 7 grams of protein per ounce support muscle repair, while their healthy fats provide long-lasting energy. Within 12 hours, your body can use these nutrients to rebuild strength, especially if you've been feeling run down. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that reduces muscle damage from daily wear and tear, which is key since oxidative stress rises with age, per the Journal of Gerontology. Almonds are also high in magnesium, which supports muscle function. A small handful, about 23 almonds, is enough to make a difference. They're easy to chew, which is great if dental issues are a concern, affecting 30% of seniors, per the Journal of the American Dental Association. Keep almonds in an airtight container at 20 degrees Celsius to stay fresh for months. Snack on them mid-morning, and by evening, you'll likely feel more energized. Number 4. Chicken breast. Who doesn't love a juicy piece of chicken? Chicken breast is a lean protein powerhouse that can help you regain strength fast. A 100-gram serving gives you 31 grams of protein, which your body uses to repair and build muscle. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high-protein foods like chicken improve muscle strength in older adults within days. After eating chicken, your body starts using amino acids like leucine within hours to rebuild muscle fibers. This is key for seniors, as muscle strength can drop by 5% per decade after 60, per the Journal of Aging Research. Chicken's B vitamins, like B6, also boost energy production, fighting fatigue that hits 40% of older adults, per the National Institute on Aging. Grill, bake, or poach chicken breast for a quick meal. Pair it with veggies or rice for a balanced dish. Keep raw chicken in the fridge at 4 degrees Celsius for up to 2 days or freeze it for months. A chicken meal at noon can have you feeling stronger by midnight. Number 3. Bananas. Do you reach for a banana when you need a quick snack? These are nature's energy bars, packed with potassium, carbs, and vitamin B6, all of which help you feel stronger fast. Research from the Journal of Sports Sciences shows that bananas' carbs provide quick energy for muscles, while potassium prevents cramps by balancing electrolytes. Low potassium, common in 15% of seniors per the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, can cause weakness. Within hours of eating a banana, your muscles get a burst of fuel and better hydration, so you feel more capable. Vitamin B6 also supports energy metabolism, reducing tiredness. Bananas are soft and easy to eat, which is great if chewing's tough. Keep them on the counter at 18 degrees Celsius until ripe, then eat or freeze for smoothies. Grab one mid-afternoon, and by night, you'll likely feel more strength. Number 2. Lentils. Have you tried lentils in soups or salads? These tiny legumes are a strength-building gem, with protein, fiber, and iron that keep you going. A cup of cooked lentils has 18 grams of protein and 6 milligrams of iron. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that lentils' plant-based protein supports muscle repair, while iron boosts oxygen delivery to muscles. This can reduce weakness within 12 hours, especially if you're low on iron, which affects 20% of older adults, per the World Health Organization. Lentils fiber also stabilizes blood sugar, preventing energy dips that hit 30% of seniors, per the Journal of Geriatric Cardiology. Cook lentils with spices for a hearty dish. They're easy to digest, which is great for sensitive stomachs. Store dry lentils in a pantry at 20 degrees Celsius for years, or keep cooked ones in the fridge for a week. A lentil meal at lunch can boost strength by evening. Number 1. Sweet potatoes. Let's wrap up with a food that's both delicious and powerful: sweet potatoes. They're loaded with complex carbs, vitamin A, and potassium, making them perfect for quick strength gains. Research from the Journal of Applied Physiology shows that sweet potatoes' carbs fuel muscles fast, while potassium supports muscle function. Within hours, your body uses these nutrients to restore energy and reduce weakness. Vitamin A is an antioxidant that protects muscles from damage, key since oxidative stress rises with age, per the Journal of Aging Research. A medium sweet potato gives you all this plus fiber for steady energy. Bake or mash sweet potatoes for a tasty side. They're soft and easy to eat, great for seniors with chewing issues. Store them in a cool, dry pantry at 15 degrees Celsius for weeks. Eat one at lunch, and by bedtime, you'll feel stronger. There you go, 10 foods that can help you regain strength in just 12 hours. If this list gave you new ideas to feel stronger, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips tailored for seniors. Drop a comment below. Which of these foods will you try first? Or share your own strength-boosting favorites. Keep these foods in your kitchen, and let's stay strong together. See you in the next video.